at the beach again. Oh, it's so nice. Got in the room early at like 11 o'clock. So I've just been enjoying the day. And there's your ocean again. It's a little rough right now, but it is about 82 degrees and it's very humid out here. Oh yeah, really cool though. Oh yeah. Just wanted to give you all a sneak peek of it. This is the ocean. Hope you guys are doing well. I miss you guys so much. I need to get back at it. I miss it a lot. I always had the best time hauling those cameras. It's not working out to where I can do it right now. But, yeah, I had this vacation planned for a while, so here I am. Catch you all later. Peace out.